In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an existing link and create a new one on Dropbox. Whether you want to update who has access to your files or simply need a new link for security reasons, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Dropbox.com and log in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where all your files and folders are located. Locate the file for which you want to manage your links. Click on the file to highlight it and you'll see an option marked Share. Click on it. This will bring up a window or menu, depending on your interface, showing various sharing options for that specific file. Now within the sharing options, you'll need to find and click on Settings. This option is essential because it allows you to manage link settings, such as permissions or the ability to remove an existing link, which is exactly what we're going to do now. In the Settings menu, you'll see two types of links, one for viewing and another for editing. Depending on the type of access you previously set, select the appropriate link option. Then look for the Delete Link button. Click on this button to proceed with removing the link. This step is crucial if you want to revoke access or simply tidy up your file sharing for security reasons. After clicking Delete Link, a confirmation prompt will pop up asking you to confirm your decision. Click Delete to finalize removing the link. This action will immediately disable the link, ensuring that anyone who had access before will no longer be able to view or edit the file depending on the permissions originally set. Next, if your goal is to create a new link, head back to the sharing menu for your file and select Create Link. This is a straightforward step that generates a fresh link for sharing. Right after you create a new link, you'll be given an option to adjust who can have access. This is an excellent opportunity to customize permissions to fit your current needs, ensuring the right people can access your content. Once you've set the desired access level, make sure you hit Save to apply the changes. Now you have a brand new link that's ready to be shared with your colleagues, friends, or family. Keep in mind, managing your Dropbox links is a powerful way to maintain control over your shared content, so remember to review your settings regularly. And that wraps up today's tutorial on how to effectively manage links on Dropbox. With these steps, you should have all the tools you need to confidently update and secure your shared files. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.